Hello, everyone. So I am going to go over some of the very basic things on creating a web page. Today, we're going to focus on the HTML page and the parts that make up the HTML page, which is the head and the body. So here I have opened up my text editor, which we downloaded, VS Code, and I'm going to open up a new file, new file, new file. And you'll see that right now the name of the file, just like we do in Word and Excel, when you create something new, it's untitled. There's no name to it. So I am going to go ahead and save this file. Before I do that, I want to show you a few things. So it's not named, it's not saved, and I want to show you what it looks like before you save the file. So the first line you would write in an HTML file is open bracket, exclamation point, doc type, HTML. Okay. And you'll notice it's just white text on a black background. But whenever you save the file, going to go ahead and keep it in there and index.html, which is the name that you should use for any home pages, but we'll go over that later. The big thing to make note is that we are doing a .html extension. Hit save, and you'll notice that the colors of the words change. And you'll see that those are tips and tricks that kind of help you create and write your code. It'll help you see errors and make sure that you're doing everything correct. It'll help. It's a very handy tool. So the second line we would write is HTML. And you will also notice that VS Code, it automatically creates the closing tag for the opening tag. So the syntax is pretty simple. There's an opening tag and then there's a closing tag. The opening tag is before you start writing the code, the different types of code, and the closing tag is at the end of the different types of code. So these are HTML files, and this will stay at the end. You'll see. So the first part of an HTML file is the head. And you'll see the kind of content that goes in there later on. And the second part is the body. So those are the head and the body. Those are the two main parts of a web page. So those are the things I just want you to kind of focus on right now is typing that out. And tomorrow we'll start filling it in and create something new. So give that a go and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.